This is Prajwal Rakesh from third sem ISCP and BT. So today now I am going to talk about a data set which is called healthcare data analysis. So as you know that there is a declining health rate from over the past 3 years from COVID-19 pandemic. So I have shown interest in analyzing the healthcare data set. So to analyze the healthcare data set, I have tried to import the basic libraries which are available in Python like pandas, numpy, matplotlib, lib.pyplot, plotly.express, seaborn, bonings. So the data set can be read using a function called read. Since it is a CSV file, you can read the file using read_CSV. So I have tried to install some inbuilt functions, and here I have tried to gather the information which is present in the data set. So the memory usage of this is more than 1.1 MB, and the data is as like this. It contains name, age, gender, blood type, medical condition like insurance provider, billing amount, and admission type. What are the medications they have received? So this data set contains 10,000 rows and 15 columns in total. So in this, I have tried to display the first 5 data of the data set, like the first 5 patients data has been displayed over here using the function called head. So here I have tried to describe the data like finding the mean and what is the minimum and what is the maximum over the data. So the mean of age is around 51.45 years, whereas the billing amount mean is 25,516 rupees, and the room number mean is 300. Like the minimum age is 18, and the billing amount, the minimum billing amount is 1000. So the maximum age in the data set is 85, and the minimum billing, the maximum billing amount is 49,995. So while displaying the count of each patient coming under different categories, so in asthma there are around 1,708 patients who have got asthma, and 1,703 patients who have got cancer, 1,688 who has hypertension, 1,650 of arthritis, 1,628 of obesity, and 1,623 of diabetes. So this is the data analysis of the healthcare providers number, and these are the type of medical emergencies like medical conditions. So there are 3,391 urgent cases, 3,367 emergency cases, and 3,242 elective cases. And this is the type of medications they have received. There are penicillin medications, around 2,079 people have received penicillin medication. Lipitor is received by 2,015 people. Aspirin is received by 1,968 people, and paracetamol is received by around 1,962. So these are the conditions. So there are 3,456 abnormal cases, and the normal cases is around 3,267. So this is the data analysis of average billing amount of each medical condition. Like the average billing amount in female sector of arthritis is around 24,692 rupees. So these are the data. So arthritis female, arthritis male. So it is categorized like this. So these are the number of people suffering from different medical conditions. Like I have tried to display female and male, gender-wise distribution have been done. So this is a histogram plot where I have tried to describe the number of people coming under different age groups. As you can see, from 70 to 80, it stands the maximum, it's around 1,300. Whereas from 20 to 30 group, 30 to 40 group, there are slight variations. That is, the people are increasing little bit. So on an average, we can conclude that there are 1,000 people coming under each category, and around 40 to 50 age, there are least number like 900 change. So while I have tried to visualize the gender percentage, so in the overall data sets, females are suffering more diseases, like 50.75% of females are suffering and 49.25% are of male. So we can say that females are suffering from more diseases, but it's almost the same, slight variation. So according to the blood types, 12.58% of AB positive blood group have been suffering from diseases. So 12.75% of AB negative blood group and A negative 12.38, A positive 12.41, B positive is around 12.44%. So this is the analysis of people suffering from diseases of each blood group type. So here I have tried to plot a bar graph like distribution of age among the patients. Like you can see the frequency, how many people. So 20, 30, 40, these are the ages indicating. So you can say that 20, the people around age 20 are suffering more. Like around 600 people, they are suffering. Only 20 people are suffering from more diseases. And this is the billing amount among the patients. So the x-axis tells about how much bill they have paid and how many number of people they have paid so much of bill. So the maximum amount of bill is paid by 20,000. Maximum people have paid 20,000. So this is the distribution of medical condition between the genders. So female arthritis, the blue colored is female people, female suffering from the diseases, and green colored is male. So arthritis is suffered around 800 people by female, and around 850 people are suffering from arthritis which are male. And this is the plot of average billing amount of medical conditions among male and female. You can see that arthritis distribution among male and female. Like 25,000 is paid almost by female, and slight amount greater than 25 amount is paid by male. This is the count of number of people coming under different age groups, and this is the plot of it. And this is the plot of distribution of blood group among different medical conditions. So these are the various blood groups, like this stands for O positive, this stands for O negative, this stands for B, this stands for B positive. So if you see the overall analysis of each blood group, there are 200 people suffering from each blood group and different conditions. And this is the plot of gender value counting each group, like how many people are present in each group. Here I have tried to analyze the medical condition distribution among particular age. Like I have analyzed the condition of age group 81. So 28 people are suffering from diabetes, and 28 people are suffering from obesity. Cancer is 28, hypertension is 26, asthma is 26, and arthritis is 23. Like this is the analysis of age group 81. So these are the various age groups. You can see 35, 61, and so on. And this is the plot of blood type and the count of each blood type group and different conditions. Like for example, I have considered AB negative blood group, and you can see 214 people are suffering from diabetes, 210 people are suffering from asthma, 227 people are suffering from obesity, and arthritis is suffered among 204 people, 225 people are suffering from hypertension, and 195 people are suffering from cancer. This analysis is of AB negative blood group. So the analysis is given for all 8 blood groups. You can see all 8 blood groups distribution. and this is the distribution of medication they have received among each conditions. So you can see the diseases and the medications they have received. So how many number of people have received different medications. And this analysis is the average billing amount among different blood type and medical conditions. So this is the medical condition and the admission type. Some of them have been admitted as elective, and some of them, you can see there are so many urgent cases over here. Comparatively lesser emergency cases we have, and we can see the volunteer cases. So there are 600 volunteer cases, 600 urgent cases, and around 500 emergency cases over here for each average blood group and medical conditions. And this is the analysis of the doctors who have treated so many number of people. Among that, Michael Johnson has treated more number of people. So the conclusions which we can draw from this particular data set is, so the maximum number of people are of age group 18 to 30, and compared to male there are more female patients, and more patients are of AB negative type of blood group, and asthma is the major condition which is being suffered among most people, and Cigna is the leading insurance provider. So this is the company which is providing the maximum number of insurances, and penicillin is the most prescribed medication among different blood groups. Thank you.